Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. Pub Street in Siam Reap, Cambodia is the culinary and nightlife hub of Siam Reap. On Pub Street, you will find an assortment of restaurants, bars, as well as entertaining street performers and some fantastic people watching. From 5 pm onwards, the street is blocked off to motor traffic, making it a relaxing place to stroll and take in the sights. Pub Street is located in the south end of central Siam Reap, steps from the old market and night market. You will find it labelled on city maps as Street 8. Pub Street may be known primarily for its nightlife, but it is also a fantastic place to grab a bite to eat at any time of the day. As night begins to descend, the street is flooded with LED lights from signs of bars, restaurants and cafes. Just stepping into the beginning of the street, you cannot help but swinging and dancing with all kinds of the sound of disco music. There are many kinds of massage for you to choose from in Pub Street. Fish massage is popular in many countries as well as in Siam Reap. Most of the bars are open all day, but they only operate from 5 pm until midnight. A great nightlife spot not to be missed when traveling to Siam Reap. Join the busy stream, sip a beer with friends and have a great night out here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will meet you all in my next video.